Hello viewers, let's see how to enable your microphone in Windows 11 and fix low recording volume problem in settings pertaining to microphone. First click on Windows button and then go to settings and then systems. Now click on sound. And now you can see microphone is disabled or not working, so I can't increase or decrease the volume due to disability visible in grayish color. Now go down and click all sound devices. Disappear. Now click microphone. So click allow and you can also see above its update. Now it's working, but remember, don't miss 3 easy steps in case if it doesn't work like this. So first click in search device manager and when it appears, so simply click it. Now expand audio input and output. Right click on microphone and click disable. Click yes, and now it's disabled. For the second time, go up and right click on microphone audio and click enable device, and now it's enabled. And for the third and the last time, go up, right click on microphone audio and choose update driver. Click on driver, but it's already updated, so let's close it. Let me go to systems, sound, and then microphone, and now let's go check for driver updates. Click it, and in case if update is available, so let it download the update. Now restart your PC and it's done. Let me go to settings, systems, sound, and click microphone for final test, and you can see it's working, but you will see. So let me increase the volume to full. You can see the graph is working. Let's start test and you will still see that the volume is very low. Let's play it. Hello, testing, hello. Despite the microphone is enabled and up to date, but low volume problem is still existing. So click on audio enhancement, open this box and now select voice clarity. And let's test again. So let's play it. Again testing. Now it's perfectly correct and louder voice. Thanks for watching.